Sarah, have you finished your homework?
Yes, Mom, I've completed it just now.
Great job. Have you also cleaned your room?
Not yet, but I've tidied up a bit.
You should finish cleaning it before dinner.
I know, Mom. I'll do it soon.
Have you seen your brother's new bike?
Yes, I've seen it. It's awesome.
Have you tried riding it?
No, not yet. I've been busy with schoolwork.
You should take a break and enjoy some fresh air.
I will, Mom.
How was your day at
I'll
school?
try it after I finish cleaning my room. It was good. I've learned a lot in math class.
That's wonderful to hear. Have you also talked to your teacher about the upcoming project?
Yes, Mom, I've spoken to her. She's given me some helpful tips.
That's great. Have you decided on a topic yet?
Not yet, but I've got a few ideas in mind.
Take your time, but make sure to choose something you're passionate about.
I will, Mom. Thanks for the advice.
Have you spoken to Grandma today?
Yes, I've called her this morning. She's doing well.
It's nice of you to check up on her regularly.
She always enjoys our chats.
Have you finished reading the book I lent you?
Not yet, but I've read half of it. It's really interesting.
Make sure to finish it before the weekend.
I will, Mom. I'm hooked on the story.
Have you watered the plants in the garden?
Yes, I've watered them this afternoon.
Good job. They look much happier now.
Thanks, Mom. I'll make sure to keep them hydrated.
Have you thought about what you want for dinner tonight?
Not really, but I've been craving pizza lately.
Pizza sounds like a great idea. We can order some later.
That would be awesome. Thanks, Mom.
Have you packed your bag for tomorrow?
Yes, I've packed everything I need.
Double check to make sure you haven't forgotten anything.
I will, Mom. I don't want to miss anything important.
You're so responsible. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I always try my best.
Have you thanked your teacher for her help today?
Not yet, but I've planned to do it tomorrow.
It's important to show gratitude. She'll appreciate it.
I know, Mom. I'll make sure to thank her sincerely.
Have you set your alarm for tomorrow morning?
Yes, I've set it for 7 a.m.
That's good. It'll give you plenty of time to get ready.
I'll be up and ready, Mom. Don't worry.
I know I can always count on you, Sarah.
Thanks, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, sweetheart. Now, have you checked your email for any updates from your teacher?
Yes, Mom, I've just checked it. There's nothing new yet.
All right, keep an eye on it. It's important to stay informed.
I will, Mom. I'll let you know if I receive any updates.
Have you remembered to feed the fish in the aquarium?
Yes, Mom, I fed them this morning.
Good, they need to be fed regularly to stay healthy.
I know, Mom. I make sure to feed them every day.
Have you heard back from your friend about the movie plans for the weekend?
Not yet, but I've sent her a message. I'm waiting for her response.
I hope she agrees. It would be nice for you to spend time together.
Yeah, I miss hanging out with her. Hopefully she can come.
Have you finished the laundry I asked you to do yesterday?
Yes, Mom, I've washed and folded all the clothes.
Thank you, Sarah. You're a big help around the house.
No problem, Mom. I'm happy to help.
Have you practiced playing the piano today?
Yes, Mom, I've practiced for an hour this afternoon.
Keep up the good work, Sarah. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks, Mom. I'm trying to improve my skills.
Have you remembered to return the library books before they're due?
Yes, Mom, I've returned them yesterday afternoon.
Excellent. Avoiding late fees is always a good idea.
I know, Mom. I made sure to return them on time.
Have you made any plans for the summer vacation yet?
Not yet, but I've been thinking about going camping with some friends.
Camping sounds like fun. Just make sure to stay safe.
I will, Mom. We'll plan everything carefully.
Have you checked the weather forecast for tomorrow's field trip?
Yes, Mom, I've checked it. It's supposed to be sunny.
That's great news. I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thanks, Mom. I'm looking forward to it.
Have you charged your phone for tomorrow's trip?
Yes, Mom, I've charged it overnight.
Smart thinking. It's important to have a fully charged phone.
I know, Mom. I'll make sure to keep it with me at all times.
You're so responsible, Sarah. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I always try to do my best.
Have you decided what to wear for tomorrow's field trip?
Yes, Mom, I've picked out my outfit already.
That's good. You'll want to be comfortable for the trip.
Definitely, Mom. I've chosen something suitable for the weather.
Have you checked if you have all the necessary supplies for the trip?
Yes, Mom, I've made a checklist and gathered everything I need.
That's very organized of you, Sarah.
Thank you, Mom. I like to be prepared for anything.
Have you been practicing your French vocabulary?
Yes, Mom, I've been practicing every day.
That's commendable. Consistency is key to mastering a language.
I agree, Mom. I want to improve my French skills.
Have you reached out to your cousin about the family gathering next weekend?
Yes, Mom, I've texted him yesterday.
It will be nice to see everyone again. Have you thought about what dish to bring?
Yes, Mom, I've decided to bake some cookies.
That sounds delicious. Your cookies are always a hit.
Thank you, Mom. I'll make sure to bake plenty for everyone.
Have you checked the expiration date on the milk in the fridge?
Yes, Mom, I've checked it this morning. It's still good.
Great, we wouldn't want to run out of milk before breakfast.
Definitely not, Mom. I've made a note to buy more during our grocery run.
Have you cleaned your makeup brushes recently?
Yes, Mom, I've cleaned them last week.
It's important to keep them clean to prevent bacteria buildup.
I know, Mom. I'll make sure to clean them regularly.
Have you started thinking about your goals for the upcoming school year?
Yes, Mom, I've started thinking about my goals for the upcoming school year.
Have you explored any new hobbies or interests lately?
Yes, Mom, I've delved into photography as a new hobby.
That's wonderful. Discovering new interests can be so fulfilling.
It really is, Mom. I've enjoyed capturing moments through the lens.
Have you kept up with your exercise routine?
Yes, Mom, I've exercised regularly, focusing on yoga and jogging.
Regular exercise is essential for staying healthy and energized.
I agree, Mom. It has helped me feel more balanced and rejuvenated.
Have you spent quality time with your friends?
Yes, Mom, I've enjoyed spending time with them, whether chatting or going for walks.
Nurturing friendships is important for happiness and support.
Definitely, Mom. My friends bring so much positivity into my life.
Have you practiced mindfulness in your daily life?
Yes, Mom, I've practiced mindfulness techniques to stay present and calm.
Mindfulness can enhance your overall well-being and reduce stress.
I've noticed it helps me appreciate the present moment more, Mom.
Have you expressed gratitude to those around you?
Yes, Mom, I've expressed gratitude to my loved ones for their support and kindness.
It's important to acknowledge the blessings in our lives and show appreciation.
I'm grateful for their love and encouragement, Mom.
Have you made time for self-reflection and introspection?
Yes, Mom, I've taken moments to reflect on my experiences and goals.
Self-reflection is valuable for personal growth and understanding.
I've found it helps me gain insights into myself and my aspirations, Mom.
You've grown into such a thoughtful and responsible young woman, Sarah.
Thank you, Mom. Your guidance and support mean everything to me.